Welcome everyone to the world famous Tampa Harley-Davidson. Today I've got for you this exciting used 2006 Dyna Street Bob. The Street Bob starts out front with a 19-inch steel lace wheel. We move back to the upgraded chrome forward controls. This bike has the 88 cubic inch twin cam engine with 6-speed transmission, chrome staggered exhaust, fully adjustable rear shocks, and the additional chrome saddlebag brackets. Wraparound rear fender, the upgraded chrome lay-down license plate frame, and the chrome sissy bar. The additional passenger pylon pad, black wrinkle finish tank trim, mini 8 bars. This bike is in black cherry. We finance used Harley-Davidsons up to 72 months. Be sure to ask about our Flying Ride program. We got the black and chrome headlight housing out front. Options accessories retail out over $1,600. It's in stock and ready for immediate delivery. Here at the world famous Harley-Davidson of Tampa, all our bikes are fully serviced and safety inspected. We take anything on trade, import motorcycles, cars, campers, boats, RVs, you name it, we take it as long as we don't have to feed it. We're rated #1 in customer service, have over 1,200 new and previously enjoyed motorcycles for you to choose from, and we ship used bikes anywhere in the world. For more information on the Street Bob, click the link below, and to view the rest of our top-notch inventory, visit us at TampaHarley.com. We're always open 24/7, and remember, have one rockin', smoking, adrenaline-filled Harley day.